I'm Judy Dickinson. This is Tiffany Springs in Surrey, and I've been on council for 26 years. So we've been dealing with VALROC for 6 years, perhaps. Our property manager brought the name up to us as a council, and we've used them to do a number of jobs here. The staff at the office are very, very good with us. The staff on site have been marvelous. They're very responsive to requests, very responsive in showing us what's been done and telling us if there's anything further we can do to enhance what the work we've had done. We've worked with VALROC on a number of projects. We had a sinkhole open up in our roadway. We've had 2 areas that we've had to pave because of puddles forming that were dangerous. And we've had 2 roadways dug out and refilled, 260 tons of pavement put in here. So over the last 2 days, we've had a large amount of asphalt put in front of 2 units where we'd had another sinkhole form, and it created quite a pool in the winter that iced over and caused the health and safety. We've had our mailbox area now concreted in rather than the bricks that used to be here, because the bricks were heaving and causing us health hazards. We've had work crews on here many, many times, and they've been more than pleasant to deal with. They're the experts, and that's why we've hired them. I think that as a strata, you have to be watching for the areas that are health and safety issues, and that will pay us back in value for the money that we've spent. We wouldn't hesitate to recommend VALROC to anybody, household, strata, complexes of any sort. We've had nothing but good working relationships with them, and we're quite pleased with what we're getting for a product.